Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the service. Today, we're diving into Omio, found at www.omio.com. This platform is a fantastic resource for planning and booking travel, specifically focusing on ground transportation options throughout Europe and extending to North America and even parts of Australia. If you're tired of juggling multiple websites and apps just to figure out how to get from point A to point B, then Omio might be just what you need. They consolidate train, bus, and flight information all in one place, providing a streamlined and efficient booking process. Think of it as a one-stop shop for comparing routes, schedules, and prices across various carriers. You can easily see what's available, weigh your options based on travel time, cost, and even amenities offered, and then book everything directly through the Omio platform. This eliminates the hassle of navigating multiple booking systems and keeps all your travel details conveniently organized in one place. One of the biggest advantages of using Omio is its comprehensive coverage. They partner with a vast network of transportation providers, offering a wide selection of routes and travel options that you might not find elsewhere. Whether you're looking for a high-speed train, a budget-friendly bus, or even a short flight, Omio likely has you covered. This extensive reach makes it an invaluable tool for exploring different parts of the world, particularly when venturing beyond major cities and into more remote areas. The user-friendly interface also contributes to a smooth and stress-free booking experience. The website and app are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly search for travel options, filter results based on your preferences, and manage your bookings with ease. This simplicity makes Omio accessible to travelers of all tech levels, from seasoned globetrotters to those just starting their travel adventures. So, if you're planning a trip and looking for a convenient and efficient way to book transportation, give Omio a try. Head over to www.omio.com to explore their offerings and start planning your next adventure. I found it incredibly useful, and I think you will too. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below.